Hello and welcome to iNurture Videos. In this video, we will be discussing about SDLC and its phases. At the end of this video, you will be able to discuss SDLC and explain the phases of SDLC. We all know about the biological life cycle, product life cycle, environmental life cycle, etc. Likewise, there is a life cycle for developing a high-quality software. In this video, you are going to learn about SDLC and its phases. What do you mean by SDLC? SDLC is an acronym of Software Development Life Cycle. It is a procedure used by a software industry to design, develop, and test high-quality software. The Systems Development Life Cycle (SDLC) is also popularly known as the Application Development Life Cycle. Phases in the software development life cycle. They are as follows: 1. Requirement gathering and analysis. 2. Design. 3. Implementation or coding. 4. Testing. 5. Deployment. 6. Maintenance. Let us know in detail about the phases. 1. Requirement gathering and analysis. Business requirements are collected in this phase. The main focus is given to the project managers and stakeholders. Meetings and constant interactions are conducted. The second phase of SDLC is design. System design helps out in specifying the required hardware and system requirements. It also aids in defining overall system architecture. The designing phase considers the high-level design, low-level design, DFD, ER diagram, etc. The third phase is implementation or coding. The actual coding is initiated after finalizing the system design documents. The main focus is given to the developer. The developer does unit testing before the actual testing. Unit testing is the lowest level of software testing. The fourth phase is testing. In this phase, the developed code is tested against the requirements. Here, the testers are intended to find defects and corrects within the system. The testers are permitted to use a test script to implement each test and verify the results. During this phase, both functional and non-functional testing are performed. The fifth phase is deployment. In this phase, the customer first does a product test in order to check the usage. This test is known as the beta testing. If there is any defect, he will inform the engineering team. Then, the defects are fixed and the product is ready for use. The last and final phase is maintenance. The maintenance phase of the SDLC permits the user to evaluate the performance of the software. During this phase, 3 activities take place. They are bug fixing, upgrade, enhancement. Let us now have a quick recap on what we have learnt. SDLC is a procedure used by a software industry to design, develop, and test high-quality software. The 6 phases of SDLC helps in producing a high-quality software without any defects. Now, you are familiar about SDLC and its phases. Thank you for watching.